Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a free WordPress website with InfinityFree. Open your web browser and search for InfinityFree. Click on the first website and register yourself by clicking on the register button. Here, you have to add your email address, password, and confirmed password. After that, you'll reach the homepage of the InfinityFree website. Now you will get different options aligned here. Click on the Create Account button provided under the portion of your account. The first step is the hosting plan of creating the account. You will be able to see different hosting plans and you can choose any plan. I have chosen the InfinityFree plan and hit the Create New button. Now you will reach the second step, which is the domain name. In this, you have to select the domain type and add your subdomain name. After that, select the domain extension and click on Check Availability. The third step is the additional information. Here you have to add your account label, username, and other details. Then click on Create Account and you're done. After that, select Open Control Panel icon. Hit the I Approve button and you will get various options by scrolling down. Choose the Softaculous Apps Installer option under the Software option. Then you can install the software setup by choosing the installation URL first. After that, fill in the site settings portion, which includes the site name and site description. Now you have to fill out the admin account portion in which you have to add an admin username, admin password, and admin email. Then choose the language and click on Install to install the software. After it's completely installed, hit the Return to WordPress Management. Here, you will be able to see your WordPress website. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.